Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we talk all things beauty in the most honest, no-holds-barred way. Today, we're stepping into the world of bold, dramatic lips with a product that promises a stunning blend of color and comfort. We're talking about the MAC CXIMAL Silky Matte Lipstick in the shade Smoked Purple. If you're looking for a lip color that lasts all day without compromising on comfort, this might just be your next go-to. Now, before we dive into my personal thoughts, let's break down the essentials. This lipstick offers full coverage, a pigment-rich color payoff, and a 12-hour wear time. Plus, it's designed with a silky matte finish that promises to keep your lips nourished and comfortable throughout the day. The shade Smoked Purple strikes a perfect balance between edgy and wearable, a deep, mysterious purple that would work for both a bold night out or to spice up a more neutral makeup look. I tested this lipstick in various conditions to really see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about how it feels on the lips. The application is smooth thanks to the silky matte formula, and the color goes on evenly, no patchiness in sight. That's a big win in my book, because when it comes to matte lipsticks, they often tend to emphasize dryness or imperfections. But this one? Not at all. It glides on with ease, and I didn't need a lip liner to keep it in place. Throughout the day, I didn't notice any feathering, bleeding, or fading, big points for longevity. And true to its claim, the lipstick didn't flake or cake, which is one of my pet peeves with matte formulas. I did a few tests, including sipping water, eating, and even a light snack, and while it did transfer slightly, the color stayed put and looked fresh all day. When we talk about comfort, this is where MAC really delivers. It's not one of those matte lipsticks that feels dry and tight on your lips. The formula stays hydrated, and I didn't feel the need to reapply constantly. The product offers a nourishing feel that I haven't found in many other lipsticks in this matte category, and the moisture lasted for a solid 8 hours, just as promised. Now, what about value for money? At 0.1 ounces, this lipstick isn't the biggest bullet lipstick, but the price reflects the high-end quality of MAC products. Considering the performance, 12 hours of wear, non-feathering, non-flaking, and the comfort factor, it's worth the price if you're someone who values long-lasting, reliable lip color. Compared to other high-end matte lipsticks out there, such as those from brands like NARS or Charlotte Tilbury, I'd say this is competitive, especially if you're looking for a deep, impactful shade that also doesn't dry out your lips. MAC's formulas are known for their quality, and this one definitely holds up to the standard. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek, typical of MAC's signature style. It feels sturdy and well-made, but I do wish the lipstick were a bit larger for the price, though the lasting power of the formula somewhat makes up for that. You get what you pay for with this one, especially if you're looking for a luxury lipstick that offers both performance and comfort. So, what's the final verdict? I'd say this lipstick is a great choice for anyone who loves a bold lip that stays put, but doesn't want to sacrifice comfort. If you're a fan of purple shades that aren't too in your face but still pack a punch, Smoked Purple could be a stunning addition to your collection. Its long-lasting, non-feathering formula makes it ideal for busy days when you want to forget about touch-ups. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. And if you haven't yet, the link to purchase is down in the description or comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.